Walmart Spark has some new opportunities for you. So you know about your curbside pickups, you know about the returns, you know about the shopping pay orders. Well, now Walmart Spark is offering shopping at different merchants. And this one is going to be a good one. So for all my shoppers out there, you want to make sure you pay close attention to this video because I'm going to show you my experience with doing one of these new orders. And one of these orders is a Sam's Club shopping order. Check it out. I just got done editing the video. Fix my camera. I just got done making the video. We got it all the way put together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this video right here on front of it right here and make that the intro. And we're gonna get right into it. So look, if this your first time being here, as far as Walmart Spark goes, I want to say thank you. But to all my long-time viewers, all my long-time subscribers, everybody who's been following the journey in the gig economy and onward, you already know what's up. Hit that like and the subscribe button, and let's hop right into it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This thing on. So if you didn't know, Walmart Spark has a new update. You are now able to do even more shopping areas to increase your opportunity for earning. Welcome or welcome back. I'm your boy Trader. Today we finna go ahead and hop right into this. I just got an offer on Walmart Spark for Sam's Club, and it's a shopping pay. This is my first ever shopping pay on Sam's Club, and I'm excited. I'm very excited. This is the very first one that was sent to me, and it's paying $22 and some change for 11 miles. It's actually giving me that 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. Now, it do got a little bit of miles on it, but with it meeting my criteria and the item count being low, I figured this was the perfect time to give it a shot. And plus, it's getting me towards my daily goal. So you know what? Hey, we pulling up to Sam's Club right now. What they got going on. I can't believe it. I actually got one of these in my money on the Walmart Spark app for shopping and double shopping orders. I still haven't even seen a double shopping order yet, where you shop for 2 customers inside Walmart and then deliver to them both. I've done it on Instacart, but I haven't had it on Walmart Spark yet inside of Walmart or anything. But now, since this Sam's Club update where it's giving us access to shop for Sam's Club customers, I mean, this could be a big game changer right here because Walmart Spark platform already offers good opportunities for shopping for Walmart. With the added ability to shop at Sam's Club, Sammy Whammy Club, this is finna take the earnings to the next level, I do believe, because you might be in a situation where you could be at Sam's Club shopping all day. You never know. And you know, I feel like Sam's Club customers are a higher level of clientele when it comes to the items and the tip, all of that. So we finna pull up right over here. Hopefully I remember what spot I'm in. And let's go grab us 6 items out of Sam's Club. Real quick.
Items, let's see. Mark arrive, preview shopping list. This is 6 simple items. I might have a hard time finding them. I ain't been in here in a long time, but we're going to figure it out. So at our cart, looks like they give you aisle number and section number just like Walmart. So this might not be too hard. So it seemed like it's pretty straightforward. We got H13. I found aisle 13. Section 2. So this probably going to be section 1. No, that's section 2 right there. So it costs $29.88. So this has got to be it right here. Ahead, get our phone ready. Boom, we're going to scan that. And just like that. Easy. All right. So if that's 13, then this got to be 12. Right here, the next item is 12, section 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And they got the section numbers right up here too. So I can see, boom, 12-4, 12-4. So it's going to be this now one right we need to go to G28-7. So let's see if we can find G28. So it's definitely not easy finding stuff, but it's not too hard either. So that's the H section over here. The alcohol is right in the middle. I know this is the meat section, and it looks like the G section is going to be over that way. And item number 3. Well, we got lucky because the next item is right next to it too. Scan that. G30 section 8. Well, now that I know I'm in the right section, I just gotta find aisle 30, section 8. So this is 27, 28, 29, 30. Section 8 should be easy to find. Put the teacher. Yep. Boom. Get some cottonelle. I'm gonna leave the cart right here. So 30, number 8. That's 6 right there. 7 and 8. So that means it's gonna be those right there. This is easy. I'm definitely I'm definitely liking this Sam's Club shopping. Even with the miles being a little bit higher. This is the first introductory order, because now I'm okay with doing a couple more items. Alrighty, FF is frozen foods, so we're looking for frozen foods 3, which is right there, FF 313. So this is how you find your slots when you're inside Sam's. Now, looks like we're going with the, see, I see it, but they a different price. So maybe it's just been like a price update. Let's scan it. Looks like it was a price difference in the app, but these are the right ones. So now we all done. Gonna head to the register. All right, so that was super easy. Look, don't even need the bag, nothing. You just go in, grab it, scan it, and you actually get to walk right out. Now they do check your receipt at the door just like you're a regular customer, but it's actually still quicker because since you don't got to go to the register and scan there, you in and out. So we back to the car already. I don't even know. I feel like I was in there for like 10 minutes. That was easy.
All right, so I got an 11-mile drive. I got it plugged in the GPS. It says it's going to take me 20 minutes to get up there, which is great. Like, it's going to take me less time than that, but a 20-minute drive for 22 bucks and a quick shopping, that's good money because if I get 2 of these in an hour, I'm going to knock out both of them. So my little review of my very first Walmart Spark shopping order at Sam's Club, you know, I think it's a great addition to the platform because there's been a lot of changes on the Spark platform as of recently. They've been, you know, lowering pay. So to get a nice little refreshing new opportunity, that's a great thing, really. And I'm excited to get more of these offers. I really am because I wasn't sure what the payouts was going to be looking like when these orders when I first got the notification that they was going to be adding this to the platform and adding these opportunities. I wasn't sure. Like, look, offers be some of the worst ones, the curbside pickup. A lot of the customers don't be tipping. I don't know why, but I know it's a greater customer base as far as like the amount of money they willing to spend because everything I bought today was a bulk item for this customer. You know, they probably spent $150 in bulk items. And that right there shows me that they ain't trying to just nitpick, order a few items here and there. So, you know, I think it's like $11 or $12 in base pay on this one. And I think the base pay mostly reflects the item count. I'm pretty sure they're going to be tweaking it in the future and seeing what works, what don't work, what's the limits of the lowest they can offer and how generous are the customers being. But for an introduction order, for the very first one to get my feet wet, test the waters, I feel like so far this is a win. And the best part is, a lot of times when I do Sam's Club offers, they drop me off in an area that's closer to a Walmart and I can pick up one there and keep my wheels rolling. And I think it's a good chance of that happening on this order. I got, you know, a little bit of miles to go. I'm going to drive this and I'm going to talk to y'all once we get to the drop off. So we just got that Sam's Club order dropped off. The time is 6 o'clock. So from start to finish, I think I spent about 25 minutes. Not bad to make 22 bucks. And what I thought was going to happen is when I'm up here by a different Walmart and I just got an order for up here. So now I don't have to drive 11 miles back round trip. I'm making it work and I'm keeping my wheels rolling. So that was all profit on that order. And now we finna make 50 in 1 hour shopping at 2 different stores on the Walmart Spark app. So I got a $32 order up here. It's going 7 miles and it's like 25 items. Perfect. Because I was going to have to drive back 11 miles had I not got an order. But now that I got an order, I'm going to be driving back 7 miles with goods, with earnings, and I can keep my wheels rolling. So look, shout out to Walmart for expanding our opportunities. I'm pulling up to this other Walmart right here so I can do this. And thanks for watching this video. Let me know what your experience has been with the Sam Club shopping orders. Let me know if it's been worth it for you. Have you seen them? Let me know if you've done some of the double shopping orders on the regular Walmart. Let me know.